Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic Best Car Fixes 2015 Honda Accord. This Honda Accord is 4-cylinder and Airdream Technology IV Tech. It's 115,000 miles. What I'm trying to talk about it is here. While the car is driving good and everything is okay, the car starts jerking or losing power. Like you driving, you come to the stoplight, you want to move, you're going to feel like a little bit of jerk or a little bit of lose power. My friend here, he changed the injectors. When this happened, he changed the filter, he changed the injectors. Okay. And still he have the same problem. You know, like it doesn't want to go. Finally, he was by his technician here, and he also changed the O2 sensors. And as you know, the O2 sensors, we have two. One is before the catalytic converter, which is this is the catalytic converter, and one is after the catalytic converter. In between, they have a measurement. This one here, when the car is not running on RPM or on idling, this O2 sensor control the idle. Like it tells the computer based on the output of the emission from here, when is gonna add fuel or when is gonna add air. And then there is another one on the bottom there, they call it a O2 sensor after catalytic converter, AF catalytic converter. That one is to measure the O2, the rest of the emission after it passed through this reactor. This is like, it have a chemical reactor here, and then anything that go from here, the emission that left, unburned emission, it will fix it, you know, like work, try to change it into carbon dioxide or monoxide and water. This is why when you start the car in the morning time, you see water come out of the tailpipe. That does the work of this catalytic converter, and it will work after it reach 500, 600 Fahrenheit degree heat. Also, based on it is look like a filter. It's just like you know, like a really big filter. With the heat, it also burn the other emissions. When it's go bad, it will give you a code for P0420 or P0430, depend on P0430 if the car have two bunks, like 6-cylinder V6 or V8. In this car, sometimes there is no code, but it get clogged. This one, it get clogged, and then the car cannot breathe. And it's shaking too. It's shaking badly, and it cannot breathe. He changed the injectors. He changed filters, same problem. The last time he was parking the car in front of the mechanic, and the car was shaking like misfire, and suddenly the car shut off. And it doesn't want to start again. One day it happened like that. When we release one of this, because the car can breathe from here, the car will start. When you put this one back, the car will not start. This test is good when you check you have a spark, you have fuel pressure, you have injector pulse. Try to be sure that is the catalytic converter breathe. The catalytic converter over $1,000 with installation from the dealer. With installation, maybe you talk about 1,000 and over.
Honda has a problem.
Say it again.
Honda has a problem after 1 lakh mile,
Yeah.
1,000 mile.
Yeah, the problem occurred as the owner of the car is by me here. He said that the problem happened when the car reached 100,000 miles. So put in your consideration, if your car is over 100,000 miles, and you have this kind of hesitation, and it doesn't want to work, or because the car cannot breathe, please try to change this one. Okay, if I put, yeah, here is an aftermarket one, right?
No, this is the original one.
This is the original one, $795, and converter primarily Honda. This is a part number.
The code was 7420, I think.
Yeah, and aftermarket one is about 400, 300.
Oh, yeah, with
Half
like
price.
$600.
Half, yeah, like 600. Okay, check that one, and this is just information that I'm giving to you now. Please put it in consideration. This is for this Honda IV Tech. Is a nice car, 2015 EXL, and also try to change clean your battery terminal. You see, this is very clean. I like it. From time to time, don't wait till battery get corroded. Maintain your car. Be safe on the road.
And the Honda also replaced this one. This is a recall, so we just
Oh,
replaced it.
this one have a recall too.
Yeah,
So the battery, this is called like a battery sensor.
after 4 years.
After 4 years.
Yeah, this is a recall.
Anyhow, you have a recall on it. Check it. If you can go and get it replaced for free, call your dealership and let them take care of it.
Idris, uncle, what are you doing?
I'm just doing one video for my YouTube channel for my followers.
Oh my God.
By the way, today we are here with our children camping. So they are playing. Some of them there, putting our tent, enjoying it for today and tomorrow.
Uncle, I'm so sorry. Can you open it up one more time?
Okay, I will open it for you. Here it is. Take something. Some of them putting the tent, some of them taking care of the food. Be safe there. And thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. This is why today I have only one video, and this is the second video, how to maintain your car. About the catalytic converter, which we will talk about it now. Do you have anything to say more?
Yeah, I have one thing, because I don't recognize this one has a problem. So sometimes my car does not start properly, and then I take out the terminal and put it back, and then I start my car, and then my car was starting until I just switch off. And then I was driving maybe 5 to 6 months like this one, and then one day my catalytic converter was died fully. I cannot start. I just take out the plug and then put it back. My car was died, and then after finally, because this is my suggestion, after the 1 lakh, after the 100,000, the
After
catalytic,
100,000, yeah.
100,000, the catalytic converter will be gone. So in my suggestion, you must have to be put the original one.
Yeah, original.
the-
If you have the original one from manufacturer, make 100,000
Yes.
mile. It's better to put another
Yes,
one,
yes.
which it's gonna take you maybe $300-400 different.
Yes.
But it's good to take you for another
Because
100,000.
before I was trying to put the original part in my car. Every part is an original from the dealer. So, but only the catalytic converter, I just changed the aftermarket.
Okay, so as long as it's taking us, and then here you see this place here. This is your engine computer. So I give advice. My advice also, long time ago, or not even long time ago, we put water and we wash the car by hose.
Yes.
Please, not this car. Not these days. Those car, if you know computer, a desktop or laptop computer, with it is a peripheral component. This car are computerized car. The whole car is just like a laptop on wheel or a desktop on wheel. And you know, like your cell phone, if you go into water, it's not gonna work. Why I say that? For example, this is an O2 sensor. It works with 5-volt reference from 0 to 700 millivolt, or millivolt. If you put a drop of water here and the water communicate between ground and that millivolt, it will disturb the car, and sometimes it can burn your computer too.
And also there's a one thing, there's a one knock sensor, bottom of the car. If something happened, the water or something else, so there's a engine light in your
It
car.
will drop it, check it, just
Yeah.
because water.
Yes,
So
just because water.
check those stuff and just be sure. We just try to talk about cars. Also, you see, like here, this is an air fluidometer sensor. It measures the amount of air that going into the car. Based on the amount of the air that going into the car, the injector will open. It will open the injector for you. So please also be sure to change your filter, your air filter, to be clean, so air can go here, breathe, air can go easily, no debris into the thin layer here, and it go into the engine. Anything that vacuum leak and everything, be careful about it. Here is your fuse box. If you have a big problem and you want to check this fuse box from bottom or from top, you can take this bar. I have a car with a radio problem. Go down there in the bottom, the fuse that going down there to the car from inside here, it have some wires that look there, water get into it and create a problem that the navigation system and the car will not start. As soon as you finish with this car, under the car there is a water or a splash guard. Please put that stuff under your car. Always put it, because we don't need no water, no nothing to come and disturb you while you're driving. Your engine mounts, try to be sure they are good. Those ground, try to be sure they're good. I don't have anything to tell you more than this one. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic, and see you in another video, and we will talk about another car soon. And please do not forget to subscribe, share, and like.